Hi YouTube, this is the one of my WordPress websites. So I purchased this domain from Cloudflare. It is worked, but now it is not working. So I am going to fix this issue. Okay, you can see there is a sum of message. I contacted my hosting provider and they suspect this is the WordPress related issue, some hacking or something. But finally I understand what was happening. So this is my Cloudflare account. So I am going to this is purchased from Cloudflare. Then I click on DNS. Okay friends, so there you can see there is the place at the uh, there is a place to add DNS record. So this is my cPanel. So first of all I check my WordPress site, but I understand there is no any error in coding. So then I go to the my cPanel. So I purchased this hosting provider from some of local hosting provider. So then I go to there is a zone editors. Click on I go to the this type. If you can see this type of cPanel, you can find the domain, and then you can go to the zone editor. This is the okay. Click on manage. Then you can find the modify the zone. Okay friends, then you can find these records. Then you can check your IP address with your cPanel. This is a cPanel. You can see this is the IP address already which I set for the Cloudflare, but it is a differ from your cPanel IP hosting provider ID. Sometime I think the hosting provider changed the IP address, but he not informed me. But I realize this is the error for this one, because when someone requests this domain from Cloudflare, they send to the old uh, name server. That is the reason for this message. So now I am going to fix this one. Now I go to the uh, name saver DNS editor, and I am going to edit these details. Okay friends, I want to copy this one and edit. The save. I change the, if you use the paid version of namesaver, you can put the namesaver, but free version you can't put the namesaver. You instead of namesaver you want to put the IP address here. I change the every IP address to new one. Okay, there's more one. Okay, edit. Okay friends, I think now updated Cloudflare records according to cPanel records, because my hosting provider changed his name saver. Okay friends, now I am going to update my domain. Refresh. Okay, we can reload page again. Okay friends, now web page is working. So you can try my steps to fix your issue with Cloudflare. If you have any problem, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for next video.